Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make advanced magic. So my idea for this magic is so first I'm gonna take from the toolbox, I'm gonna take a Vfx pack, which is a very good pack if you want to make magic. I always use it and it's pretty cool. There's pretty much all you want, like there's everything here. So what I'm gonna do is I want to make a, for example, let's see, for example I want to make, I want that. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take a sphere or a ball, it's the same. I think that's pretty cool, and then we can make some effects like this. This is perfect, this is what I want. And you can delete the pack once you choose everything you want. This will take a bit of time because there's a lot of elements. Oh, never mind, didn't take too long. Right, put this in workspace and delete the VFX folder. Now take the ball, make it as big as you want. So let me just change the size to about 50, 50 and 50. So it's a big ball, but don't worry, it will not be like this, it will be in the floor like that. So make it in the floor and make sure everything is anchored and not canker-lied. Now we can make this ball neon and we can customize everything. So I'm going to go with a blue. Sounds, yeah, that looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna do the same with this, but I'm gonna make it maybe like a bit darker. Like, that's a very good color. And copy the position of this ball, paste it in here, and then copy the size of it too, and put it here. So right now, as you can see, it's kind of bugging because it's the same size. So you can change the size to 52, 52, 52. I think that's not even big enough. We'll do a 54 maybe. That looks pretty cool. And now with this thing, which I'm going to keep in white because it looks pretty cool in white. So we'll make it spin. We'll make it spin, like, yeah. So we'll make it spin like this. I think that will be pretty cool. So if you copy the position again and resize it however you want, I'm going to go like that. You can make it going up if you want, but I'm going to make it like that. I think that looks pretty cool. So this is going to be our magic. Now we need to rename everything. So the ball inside, we'll name it sphere. And this we'll name it wave. And this we'll rename it to sphere 2. Right? Once you have everything, named, add in a folder in replicated storage and call it attack. Now select everything, go to the transparency and change it to 1. Now put everything in attack. Now add in a local script into starter pack, yeah. And we can name it attack if you want to like not be confused. If you have like multiple local scripts so you know which one is what. And inside of it we'll add a remote event. And we can keep it like this. Now we'll add a script into it. So you should have in starter pack, you should have a local script, and inside of it you should have remote and script. We'll start by the local script first, so do local UIS equals to game, get service, user input service. So we can define the user input service, which is a service used to detect if a key has been pressed, by the way. Now we'll make two values. So the first one is going to be debounce. We'll set it to false, and actually no. For you guys, I'm going to change the name of it to can attack. Sorry. And we'll set it to true actually. Now we'll make another one called cooldown, and this will be the cooldown of like how many seconds before you can make another attack. So mine's gonna be 5, and then do UIS.input begin connect function. Ok. D'accord, je suis en vidéo en fait. D'accord, bah j'arrête maintenant là. Ferme la porte, hein. Mais de toute façon j'arrive. Function, and then in the brackets we can do input, comma, and then is typing. Now remove the extra bracket right here, you don't need it, and then click enter. You should see the end right here, and then do if is typing. So if the player is typing, wait no, yeah. So if is typing, then return end. Return end means that it will not do the code if the player is typing, basically. Click enter 2 times, or I mean I just do that to be organized in my code, but that's how you want. And then do if input the key code equals to enum dot key code dot, and then whatever key you want to press. I'm going to use the key E, and then do and can attack equals to true. Then so if the can attack is true, so if the player can attack and if he pressed the E button, then can attack equals to false. Script wait for child remote fire server and 2 brackets. This will fire the remote event, and then do wait cooldown. We'll wait the cooldown and then put the can attack back to true. So while the can attack is false, you cannot do another attack, but if it's true, you can. So now that the local script is done, we will make the main script, I guess, which is the script that will make the attack. So first off, we will get the replicated storage service. So local rs equals to game get service replicated storage, and then the local attack folder is equals to rs wait for child attack. And then we will define every object that we have inside of our attack folder. So local sphere, sphere equals to attack folder wait for child sphere. You can copy this line paste it 2 times or whatever, like how many objects you have. This is going to be the sphere 2, and this is going to be the wave. Alright, so now what we want to do is do script.parent wait for child remote event dot on server event connect. Wait a minute. Okay, 2 seconds. I was just checking if I was recording. But so connect function and then the player. So we will get the player with the function, and then do local character equals to player dot character, easy. And then we'll also define the humanoid. So yeah, so the humanoid will be to, for example, make damage to the player that touches our attack, and it can also be used to load our animation if we do one. So local humanoid equals to character dot humanoid, and then we'll also define our humanoid root part. I'm going to put hum and then RP just to, make it shorter. So humanoid root part. Make sure it's spelled like this. If you have any yeah, so just make sure it's spelled like this. Then we will do first we'll put the attack elements into the workspace so we can see it. So .parent, so sphere.parent equals to the workspace. Don't need to do game.workspace, it's just a bit better like this. And then the sphere2.parent equals to workspace, and the wave.parent equals to workspace. Then what we'll do is set the C-frame to the C-frame of the humanoid root part. So sphere C-frame equals to humanoid root part dot C-frame, and we can paste this line like 2 times. Sphere 2 and wave. So now that we have this, when we press the key, it will put everything in the workspace and where your character is at. We can already test it out if you want. So press E, and it should, well, be like, oh yeah, so this happens when so basically we forgot to, as you can see it works, it's right here, but we forgot to make it so it's not transparent anymore. So to do that we will okay, so go up here and do local ts equals to game get service tween service. And then we'll make some tween info, so ti in my case if you want, or local infos, just local infos equals to tween info dot new. The first number will be the number, like the speed of the animation. I'm going to make it 0.5. Then we have the using style. So enum.using style dot linear. In my case, I want it to be linear. And the direction, you can put it to out or in. I'm going to do in out because it's so you can do in out too. Then if you wanted to, like how much time we wanted to repeat, I don't want it to repeat, but I want it to reverse, so go back to transparent after the animation is done. So we'll put true in here. And then the number delay time, I'm going to put it to 0. Now what we'll do is we will create the sphere tween. So it's equal to tween service colon create, and then the object we want to tween. So this is going to be the sphere. We'll give it the infos, and then comma, and then do these pointy brackets, and your size equals to vector3 dot new, and then copy the size of our sphere. Go outside the brackets and do comma transparency. By the way, these are the names of the variable. I mean the property is equal to 0 because we want it to be non-transparent after the animation, and go back to transparent. So basically, if you put it a true here, it will go back to transparency equal to 1 after it's to 0. So we'll copy that line, paste it again. We'll do the sphere 2 and the wave. Boom. Change these to sphere 2 and wave. Then do the same. Copy the size of our sphere 2. Put it in here. And do the same for the wave. Paste the size here. And we're good. So, that's pretty cool. So now we'll actually make an animation. That's pretty cool. So now what we want to do is, well, I think that's it. So now we can test it out, and it should turn, well, non-transparent. We press E, and for some reason it's still transparent. Let's see if we have any errors. Oh, that's pretty simple. That is because we didn't play the tween. For some reason I always forget to do this, but I don't know. So we'll do sphere tween colon play. That's it. That's all you have to do. And we forgot to do it, so that's sad. Sphere 2 tween and wave tween colon play. Alright. Press play and it will work now. Boom. And now we can see it. Pretty cool, right? If it works for you, then that's a very good point for you. That it works. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that if you know how to do this, then you're already, you should be happy. I guess I don't know how to. Yeah, just ignore what I'm saying. And I just realized. Wait. So put the things in the workspace and put the transparency to 0. But I realized this is a bit. The wave is a bit like the size of it is. It's not the same for each angle. Yeah, now it looks better. Is it in the center? I don't know. Probably. Okay, yeah. Wait. Okay, nice. And by the way, this I wanna make it like. I think white will be a lot better. And then red for this. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I'll keep it like this. Actually, no. I'll make the interior white. Red, sorry. What am I saying? Okay, oh, that's a nice color. Okay. So I think it's a little bit too, like, it's a bit too neon. So I can reduce that a little bit. Yeah, that's a lot better. But we can keep the, well, actually, no. Yeah, it's a lot better. Okay. And I forgot to do something, guys. Oh, by the way, now that I changed the size of the wave, I'm gonna update it here. Copy the size and put it in there. Alright. But I forgot to do so. Make the size of everything 0, 0, 0. And then transparency to 1, and then put everything back to the attack folder. This will add a new animation. It will grow and also get it will also get visible, so it will do that basically. That's pretty cool, right? But we want it to stay a lot longer. So what we can do is make this thing to a lot more. So it'd take more time. So that's good, but it's kind of weird. We want the animation to be fast, but like we want it to stay longer. So what we can do is, well, we can make two tweens actually. One for the transparency equals to 0, and another one for the transparency equals to 1. So what we'll do for that is first make this to false, and then copy the line, paste it below, make this to, well, false too actually. Actually, we probably don't need another line of infos. Okay, anyway, so copy this, paste it in here, and we can do sphere tween 2, and sphere 2 tween 2, and then wave tween 2. And then change the transparency to 1 here. Then we can play the tweens, but after these lines. Then we'll do weight 0.5, or like 3, and we'll play the new tweens that we did. So sphere tween 2, sphere 2 tween 2, and wave tween 2. So the code should be looking like this for now. Right? Okay. It should work now. So it does this and then goes back. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. So it does that basically. Alright, really cool. If you wanted to go back to the size like very small, you can change this number to 0, 0, 0. So now that we have our animation, we will actually make the things, well, spin, because it looks a lot better when it spins, right? So to make something spin, guys, first we want to make a variable for the spin speed. So 0.5 is already pretty fast, I guess. So we'll do 0.4. I think this is a pretty good speed. Or actually 0.3. And to make the things spin, you want to do, oops, wait, okay. So you want to do sphere, so the object dot orientation equals to sphere dot c-frame times c-frame dot angles 0, comma, spin speed, comma 0. And actually it won't do anything if the sphere spins. We won't see it because you know, it's a sphere, so it's like it's a ball, so when you spin it, it doesn't you know, you can't see that it spins. So you can change this to wave by the. So this is the formula to make something spin. We'll see if it works. And no, wait. I probably okay. Wait. So maybe it's the last number to be the spin speed. Yeah, I think it is. Nope, it's not. Why is it not working? Well, we'll try the first one then. Okay, it doesn't work. So I'll be back when I figured it out. Okay, so I forgot to add something. It's actually while wait do add an end here, because basically it needs to repeat itself. It needs to, yeah. So now it will work. Here you go. Pretty cool, right? But now, as you can see, it stays here. So we'll try to make it so it doesn't. So I'm gonna make a function. So local function spin, and then add in a little end right here, and then we'll call it. Maybe it will resolve the problem. By the way, guys, these types of tutorial is pretty advanced. So if you don't if you struggle a lot, it's kind of normal. Oh, okay. So I know why it does that. So basically we need to clone. I forgot to clone the things. So if you do if you add a this, so the name is different. Here you go. And copy that, paste it here, or you can actually paste it here, and then remove them, and then do sphere with this thing, and then clone. Alright, so now it will clone it, so we can actually have two attacks in one. Or yeah. Sorry, I'm tired, guys. That's why I speak like that. But now you can actually have multiple ones. But we wanted to you know, get out, right? So maybe if you remove the wait 3 seconds, Let me see if we have some errors. Okay, we don't. We don't have errors, so this is already pretty cool. And we'll wait 0.5 seconds and we will destroy them. So we'll wait 3 seconds and maybe it will destroy it. It doesn't. This is an issue. I have a little issue right here, guys. That's maybe because of our function right here that it does that. Yeah, so it is why. It is because of our function. Maybe if we delete this, delete that, and just do the orientation equals to this, and then times vector 3 the new 1 1 and 1.1 this. Actually, you can keep the spin speed. Okay, we'll see if it works. I'm not sure, but we'll try. This is probably one of the hardest part to make the thing spin. Maybe, I don't know. This is my opinion. Kinda doesn't work, but if we add a value right here, so it repeats. Oh, yeah, it spawned in the air because I made the attack when it was in the air. Oh, wait, it kind of spinned. Yeah, it does. It does kind of spin. But it doesn't. If I do what to do, like a while loop, and then I do wait 0.1. I don't really know, guys. That's kind of weird. I never got that before, but for some reason, the fact that I make the attack spin basically breaks it, and it breaks the animation for some reason. Actually, we don't need we'll make it so it just disappear like that, you know. Probably. But then we'll do the thing. What would I do? Sphere dot cifering. equals to, well, times equal to sphere dot cframe times cframe dot new 0 comma spin speed comma 0. Oh, I'm an idiot. I put sphere, but won't actually do anything, so we'll do the sphere too. We'll try this. Oh well. Oh, that's cframe dot angles. Sorry. Not dot nil. Okay. So it does spin now. Right, this looks pretty cool, right? Tell me in the comments if you like this, but I kind of like this, actually. It's pretty cool, but I don't know if I don't know if you want to put the shadows, because it looks kind of weird with the shadows. It's like water. I don't know if it makes shadows, but yeah, it looks better without the shadows. Yeah. Okay. Now we just need to destroy it. So if we what if we make it, okay. Well, I'm gonna reuse the function method, because I feel like it's oh my god, I'm tired. My brain right now is like, I can't speak. Okay, so it spins and then destroys, maybe? No. Let me figure it out. So it puts the thing in the workspace, and then it makes the thing where the character is, and then it makes the tween. Oh, I have an idea. We don't need this, and we don't need this. What if? Oh, okay. I know. What if you make the orientation in the tween? I'm genius. Vector free. Now. 0, 10,000 and 0. If it works, then I'm smart. Oh, wait. Okay, it works, but it works, but it's kind of fast. Yeah, but if I do that, it will make the animation slow, which is not really what we want. Actually, it looks kind of good. It looks kinda good. Well, if we make it a little bit in the floor so it doesn't, it seems like it's a bit flying. So what I mean by that is that we add a CFrame.nil 0 and then the y-axis, which is going to be -2 0. So we are adding -2 studs to the elements, which is a bit. Oh, we have an error. Okay, vector 3 expected. When you have this error, it means that you don't want the C-frame, you want to use the vector 3. So yes, it works. That's pretty cool. I feel like I don't really like the fact that it turns. Yeah, I feel like I'm not gonna make it so it turns visible. I'm just gonna make it so it's always visible. You see what I mean by that? Okay. So now we can actually make the method that we were using before. So we'll make it back to very small. We want it to be a little slower because I feel like it was pretty fast. Okay, so the tutorial should be done. Oh yeah, we need to make it so it does damage. I forgot. Okay, kinda works. Oh. Boom. Looks good, and then it goes back, and then disappears. This is beautiful. So this is how you make an attack in Roblox Studio. This tutorial is pretty advanced, so yeah, if you made it to here, then good job. Because this is a pretty advanced script. If I'm not lying, it's pretty advanced. So now we'll make it so if you actually touch it, it will hurt you. To do that, we wanna make a function when you touch the sphere. So sphere dot touched connect function and hit in the brackets. Go down, you should see an N appear, and then do local humanoid equals to hit dot parent find first child humanoid. If hit and humanoid, then we'll also create a little cooldown of 1 second and debounce or not debounce, which is the same as debounce equals to false. Basically the same. It's a bit shorter, maybe, I don't know. Oh, sorry about that. We'll set the debounce to true. We'll wait the cooldown. We'll make it back to false. And we'll damage the humanoid. Humanoid dot health. Cooldown take damage. Simple as that. And then brackets and then the damage you want it to take. I'm going to do 20. Now I can insert a dummy or something. Yeah, a freaking dummy would be pretty cool. So go to rig builder, click on R15, R6, same, and you have your dummy. Pretty cool. I'm gonna make myself spawn at the dummy, so you know. Sorry. Boom, 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 boom. We are done. Boom. And the humanoid, I don't know if he's taking damage, but kinda looks like he doesn't. I'm gonna make sure that he has a humanoid. And okay, maybe that's because maybe that's because it doesn't work with dummies. I'm gonna try with like a zombie or something. A zombie. Yeah, this one, drilling zombie. Okay, can he follow? Okay, I think he can follow, I don't know. Okay, for some reason the attack doesn't make damage. I'll fix that right now. Maybe it's because, you know, we'll try to make minus equal 20. We'll try this. Alright, so yeah, I hope you liked the video. Was pretty fun to do. Some reason it doesn't make damage, but we'll fix that in the next video or something. Maybe I'll do a part 2 or like other videos on how to make magic. But that's how you do it. A pretty nice magic that looks awesome. Apparently it does knockback. I don't know. That's not my attack. That's just the code in the zombie. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe. That will help me a lot. It's free, so make sure to do it. And yeah, so smash a like if you like the video, smash dislike if you don't, and I see you in the next one. Peace.